This is our Lord of the Rings appreciation station here. This is my fantasy shelf. Sci-fi, fantasy, which is a lot. Middle grade as well. George R.R. Martin, of course. Some YA fantasy. And Dune. My sci-fi. And these are inherited books from grandfather. This is also a sci-fi fantasy that I really like. And these are just sci-fi, and then they just start getting into like the mixed genres of contemporary and thrillers that I've inherited. And then this is a lot of our classics. See, what I'm reading right now, of course, are not there yet, but a picture I got from a YouTuber that I really like. Here's our other textbooks. And here is our other classics. These are our classics that I really enjoy, and we have them displayed because some of them look really kind of pretty. They're bound, either leather bound or the Penguin Classics. And then these are a lot of textbooks. This is actually on here the book that I am published in. So that's into the epic fantasy short stories. I'm published in there, which is amazing. So excited. And then here is a lot of our textbooks that we have, because my husband and I are both teachers, so we have lots of textbooks in our home. Now these are not all of our books. I have some books upstairs, but I am not going to show you those yet until I get my shelves back in order. And this is our Starry Night Legos collection, which I really love. Got that as a gift. And then here is fantasy shelves. Hello, this is the puzzle that we worked on while listening to an audiobook. And it didn't take that long, but it was so cute. A lot of the names on this puzzle of the books all have cat puns, and they're just so adorable. So I thought I'd share that. It looks so cute. So happy that we did that during my spring break when I had time to just relax, listen to an audiobook, and just breathe. It was very, very relaxing. I haven't done that many puzzles, so I'm very excited. Thank you for joining me on this bookshelf tour and just little bits of my life. And as always, have an adventure with reading. Thank you.